what's up y'all? It's your girl Sha. I know it's been a hot minute. Today's video though is sponsored by QVR Hair, and I'm so excited because your girl has been running mini twists down to the ground, okay? I'm a mini twist girl, alright? I just love the look. You couldn't tell me this is not my hair. Please, please, this is growing out of my scalp, okay? Are you kidding me? So I pre-parted it in 1, 2, 3, 4 sections at first, but then I ended up cutting this middle section into 2 just because it helped me see the parts a little bit better, and mentally it allowed me to like finish this one part and feel like I was doing something, as opposed to working on this big section and feeling like I was going nowhere. Okay, so that's prep part 2. Then I started braiding. One thing that I would recommend doing with the QVR Afro Kinky Bulk Hair, it comes in a bag like this. This is partially used, but I'll show y'all a clip of the fresh bag. The hair comes loose, okay? So you have to make sure, it comes in like a square and it's easier to part. You have to make sure that when you're pulling it apart, you are not wasting hair. Like, you cannot waste hair. If you go like this and you realize like hair is falling, you better put that joint right back in. Put it right back in, and then, see, some fell. Put it right back in, and then you're good. I used about 4.5 packs for this style, but what I did to ensure that I didn't waste hair was 1, using the technique that I just showed you, and 2, pre-sectioning it. If you're just sectioning it every single time you're about to do a twist, 1, you're gonna waste a lot of time. You're gonna waste a lot of time. And 2, you're gonna waste a lot of hair. So I just like to pre-section it. So what I did at the root was I braided the root just from like the tip to about right here. And then I started twisting. There were certain parts where I added hair for additional length based on where it was placed on my head. When I was in the very back, I only used 1 strand, but there were parts in like the middle and like, I think the top front section, like up here, because I got 20 inches, but some of the top front section wasn't long enough, and the very front I wanted it layered, so I was okay to do 1 strand of hair, but the top front section I wanted it to be a little bit longer, so I used 2 strands of hair, which I'll show y'all in a clip. I just made sure to feed it in. Then I used some mousse to just define the curls, which I do pretty often, maybe like once or twice a week, just to give it a little more bounce. You can wet this every day, you can put mousse every day if you want to, but I don't feel the need to because the curls are still pretty defined. And that's what I love about this human hair. Like, the ends are not that usual like artificial curl. They just seem like my natural hair, the way it curls at the bottom. And that's what I always go for. Like, that's my vibe. This was the final look, and I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So if you're no longer interested in heavy hairstyles, I highly recommend doing mini twists and using human hair. This is the lightest hair that I have ever used. It just feels like mine. Like, there's no extra weight that's added that feels uncomfortable. I can literally put it in a ponytail, a bun. I can just do whatever I want with this hair because it's mine. Like, are you kidding me? I love this hair. Okay, I will put all the details in the description box down below for y'all. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm so excited to be back, y'all. I have so much to catch you up on. Love y'all. Bye.